Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your card number on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you gotta do is first of all access a particular DoorDash app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So here in this section, if you're gonna simply tap on this more option given below and get to this manage card option, where you're gonna be able to find your card details right. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to unlock your card details, which include the card status, replace your card, and change your pin. So even right now over here you cannot seem to find all of the details regarding your card, because apparently DoorDash does not allow you to see all of the information, including the card number. You only have an option of simply locking your card and simply replace your card or deactivate it or change your pin in case you have lost it. So if you would like to simply replace your card, you can choose to do so. Otherwise, there is no way for you to actually see a card except if you have it in your person and you can see it physically. So unfortunately there is no way, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.